Traveling with family or going on a long road trip often means running out of space inside your car. That's where the car rooftop cargo carrier bag, 20 cubic feet, becomes the perfect solution. This roof bag is designed to fit any size vehicle, small or large, with or without roof racks, crossbars, or even a sunroof. It installs easily and works with almost any car. Built for safety and stability, this cargo carrier uses heavy-duty straps that can support up to 3,100 pounds. The reinforced door hooks come with thick protective pads to prevent scratches, and an anti-slip rubber mat protects your car's roof while keeping the bag firmly in place. What truly sets this roof bag apart is its 100% waterproof design. It's made from strong 900D PVC tarpaulin with triple reinforced seams and no exposed stitching. The zipper is fully protected by a double flap with Velcro, keeping your luggage dry even in heavy rain. This cargo bag is not only waterproof but also extremely durable. It's resistant to heat, cold, UV rays, and dust, and the upgraded zipper is smooth and strong for long-term use. When not in use, the bag folds down easily and stores neatly in the included storage bag. The aerodynamic design helps reduce wind noise and improves fuel efficiency, making your drive quieter and smoother. Installation is simple thanks to the smart metal ring strap system, whether your car has side rails or not. With its large 20 cubic feet capacity, this rooftop cargo carrier gives you plenty of space for suitcases, camping gear, and all your road trip essentials. If you want more space, better protection, and stress-free travel, this rooftop cargo carrier is a smart choice. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability, and upgrade your next journey with confidence.